Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Today we are going to study class 8 mathematics exercise 3.2 question number 5. Question number 5 is, if you have universal set U, let U equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and set A is A, B, C, D, G, H, and set B is C, D, E, F, G. Verify De Morgan's laws. So we have to verify De Morgan's laws. So let's check firstly what are De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's law says if you take A union B and then their complement, it will be equals to complement of A intersection complement of B. And this one is the first De Morgan law, and the second or other De Morgan law is A intersection B whole complement equals to complement of A union complement of B. So we have to verify these De Morgan's laws. So we verify this first one. Let's start first one. A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. So let's start left hand side, that is A union B complement. So from A union B complement, firstly we have to find A union B. So let's find A union B. What is A? A, B from here. C, D, G, H. Union. What is B? C, D, E, F, J. So now take their union. Write all these elements from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and that one J. This is the A union B. Now I have to take the complement of this A union B. A union B complement basically equals to difference of A union B with universal set U. So this is equal to U difference A union B. Now what's U? A to J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Difference. What is A union B? A to J all elements except I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J. So all these elements will be cancelled out only except I, because I is not in A union B. This is the complement of A union B, and this is the solution, final solution of left hand side. Now come towards right hand side, that is A complement intersection B complement. So firstly we have to find complements of A and complement of B. So what is the complement of A? U difference A. Universal set difference set A. Universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And A set is A, B, C, D, G, H. What will be left here? A, B, C, D. Cancel from this. E, F left. G, H also cancelled. I, J is left. So this is the complement of A. Now similarly complement of B. U difference B. What is U? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And what's B set? C, D, E, F, J. Take their difference. GHI. J will be cancelled out. In the complement of any set, we write the element of set U that doesn't lie in that set, or whose complement is to be taken. Now we have to take intersection of complement of A and complement of B. What is the complement of A? E, F, I, J. What is the complement of B? A, B, G, H, I. So what's common? What is the intersection of these two sets? What is the common element in both of these sets? E, F, I. I lies here and also in that set. So I is common. This is the final solution of right hand side. Now from this equation 1 and equation 2, you can observe that left hand side and right hand side have same final solution. Hence it is proved that A union B complement equals to complement of A intersection complement of B. So similarly you will do a second De Morgan's law by yourself. You